What up, man? It's your boy DJ on the grind. We back at the park, man. Wichita, Kansas, Mac Adams. It's going down, man. Old school car show. Yeah, we gotta get that right there, boy.
Here's to my house. I have a dream. I have a dream. So let's freedom ring. From the broken steel muscles to heaven. Let freedom ring. From the mighty mountains of New York. Let freedom ring from the heights and alleghenies. Let freedom ring from the snow-capped rockies of Colorado. Let freedom ring from the perfection of California. Not only that, let freedom ring from the Southern Mountains. Let freedom ring from Lookout Mountain of Tennessee. Let freedom ring from every hill and low hill of Mississippi. From every mountainside. I have a dream. I have a dream. Here's to my house. Here's to my house. Here's to my house. Here's to my house. I have a dream.
There go that man with that running colors, man. There you go. They been asking about him. Talking about, hey, them Oklahoma dudes been talking about coming down the road. Hey, how you doing?
What's that YouTube good to go get yourself with? What's it on?
CB Dub Media. CB Dub Media.
Dub Media.
Yeah, you can look at my channel too. I got all that shit on there.
Okay.
My DJ on the grind. Hey, you the one I need to do my break for my drop. Yeah, man, I got you whenever you're ready, man. I was supposed to have it up here. It pissed me off. Dude was working on it for 3 days. Then did new lines, new brake shoes in the back, new cylinders in the back. Then they said it was the master cylinder, put a new master cylinder on, and the brake shoes in the back ain't pushing out.
Did it bleed?
He bleed them everything.
How did it bleed it?
We had some little pump checking the lines and all that, going in the back.
You want to fill the master cylinder up, go back there and open the bleeder valve. Just let it drip till you see all the air come out. Then close it.
Okay. I got you, man. Just whatever you charge, let me know, bro. I need you. Yeah, y'all ain't seen my other baby yet. I told y'all, but I was gonna show y'all today, but I was getting some brake work done, so that kind of tricked me out, dealing with somebody that don't know what they was doing. That's how it go when you go the cheap way out, huh? Yes, sir. We're gonna get everybody business out here. Get it poppin'. Yeah, a little nice Aero coupe. Alright, how you doing, man? My nigga, I ain't seen you in a minute, boy. Yeah. Boy, you got a clean one on your hands, man. You got a clean one. It's gonna be on YouTube. We're gonna see what they talk about. Yeah, man. The first Aero coupe down here. I ain't seen none. Roochy Roochies. on y'all poo-poos. Yeah. Nice 71 right here. Original. Got some Craigers on it, but this thing a beauty. I'm in the judge's way, y'all. I'm in the judge's way. This thing beautiful, man. I wish he'd sell it to me. I put this in the collection. Yeah, that's nasty. Another beauty. How you doing, sir?
All right, how you doing?
All right, this yours?
Yeah.
Oh, man. I was just saying on my YouTube channel, boy, I hope he, one of them days, he think about me when he want to sell it, boy. I'm Dennis' son.
Huh?
I'm Dennis' son.
Right,
yeah. Right. Give Mr. Wade on video, man. He on YouTube, man. That's Mr. Wade right there, man. Do good work on cars.
Might be that crazy.
Yeah, that's a beauty right here. Got the AC on hooked up.
What's up, my friend?
Boy, that blue on there. Different. Get them seats, man. Doing the back. Got the front done. Got an old Thunderbird. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Hey, we're gonna call your Z Nationwide Z. That's my boy Buck, man. Y'all wanna know who drop that is over there, man? That's my boy. He'd have been everywhere. Nationwide with it at the show. Look at my other partner. Look at my other partner. Unc, how you doing, Unc? How you doing, man?
What's that?
Got my Unc on YouTube, man.
What you got? You got somebody here, didn't you?
Yep.
Yeah, it looks like,
yeah,
man, 65, man, 65.
Hey, what it do, baby? What it do, baby? Look at him, man. Looking like 007.
I'm trying.
Yeah, baby. Look at that beast, boy. That's a beast of a motor right there. You ready for the tracks? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Gonna put y'all on YouTube, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You ready to run them? You ready to run them?
Man, you see me out front.
You ready to run them?
DJ on the grind.
Yes, sir. That's my boy, man. If y'all ever need a good transporter, man, he A1. He would have got 2-3 cars for you.
That means he's getting here.
Yes, sir, man. Stay on that grizzle all the time, man. Yes, sir. How y'all doing? How you doing? Can you drive it?
I've had before.
Okay. Might be too much horsepower for you. My boy Super Dave Buick, man, convertible. Sitting on them 6s. Cute. Y'all might have seen it last year. It was at the park. Oh, he got a fresh paint job on that thing, look like. Yes, sir. But y'all might have seen at the park last summer. He had 22s on it. I told him to put 4s. He said he was gonna go 6s, man, and they look good. So yeah. How you doing, man? How you doing? All righty. Yeah. Now this the baby right here, man. 6 deuce rag. Got the trues. Got the white walls with the blue on it. Yeah, he nasty. Cloud top. Yeah, it's a keeper right there, man. Yes, sir. My daddy Corvette. Got that vet out, man. Them vets out today, man. Them vets out today, man. I might have to jump in my pop's car, man. Tell him let me drive it. Drop that top. He only dropped it 2 times since he done had it. Man, that's crazy. This is truck top. Right back to back, man. Big tub. Small block. That's a big block killer. You did. Thump real hard. Big tub. This thing is pristine. I don't think I've seen one that was in better condition than my daddy, and I ain't just saying it because he's my pops, but yeah, you know, some honey. They got my boys, man. Justin in the house. Y'all have seen this, man. He on all type of videos. We gonna call him Nationwide Royce. Nationwide Royce, man. Yeah, man, what y'all know about that drop Camaro, man? 327 in. Female-owned car. Yeah. How you doing? We gotta get my boy Molly Mall in here, man. Molly Mall. When that car show, man? August?
Yeah.
Next summer? Yeah. Y'all stay tuned to that, man. Y'all done seen the show popping. Tell them what the show called.
The Mid-Dub Car Spikes and Trucks, man.
Yes, sir. We're gonna be in the same spot. It's gonna be at Riverside.
Gonna be at Riverside.
So all y'all Oklahoma dudes, man, all my partners, y'all gotta make it down next summer, man. August. August what?
I'll be looking at probably August the 16th.
About August 16th. If it changed, man, I'm gonna get in touch with them and I'm gonna let everybody know, but we're gonna try to make it bigger than last summer, you know what I mean?
Birthday weekend also. So.
Yeah, we're gonna make it bigger than last, I promise you that one. Yeah, everywhere you look, it's beauties, man. Remember, if y'all missed this year, man, the show is Old School Car Club, man. Jump off every year around this time of September. They got that caution tape, man. You know what we do with that, man. We go around that, man. We go around that. Yes, sir. What in the what? Yeah. I'll tell my daughter, hey, this your first car, boy. She'll laugh at me. Man, when I say it's so many Chevelles in the town, man, it's crazy. How you doing? How you doing?
All right. Make us famous.
Huh?
Make us famous.
Oh, you on YouTube, man. Hold on, let me put you out there.
Oh, you gonna put us on YouTube?
Yeah, you on YouTube. That's all. That's what I do, man.
I never have been on YouTube.
That's your nephew, son? Nephew. Look up DJ on the grind. Huh? Oh. Yeah, I was gonna say, just look up DJ on the grind, the way you can be able to see yourself on the channel, man.
Oh, no,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, this you, right?
Yes.
Yeah, this a beauty. This a beauty right here.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. All running, man. They do that racing around here, man. They do that racing around here. Yeah. You got them slicks on there. You ain't got them on there for no reason. I know he hooking. He hooking and bucking, man. What it do, man? How you doing? Hooking and bucking, man. Don't be playing down here, man. They got something to snatch you up out of there, man. Yeah, some real runners. See that power glide on that thing. Y'all done seen this before. My brother's truck. LS running. No, we do. Gotta put an LS in everything, man. You ain't got an LS in there, you half stepping. Look how he coming back to back, man. Matching. Matching with the bike and the truck. Going down. Got my Unc on there, man. Got my Unc Twan on there, man. Yes, sir, man. One of the best that ever done it, man, for sure. How you doing, man? Look at the shoes. Look at the shoes. He ain't playing. Hold up. Let me see the shoes. He ain't playing on. Hold up. Let me get them shoes, man. Oh, he ain't playing on them. He ain't playing on them. That Lincoln?
Put that condom on that cap.
Yeah, I'm finna get it over there.
Yeah, my white Lincoln sitting over there too.
I'm gonna go over there and put you.
Right next to Farm Street Cadillac.
Okay, I'm gonna put you on the channel. I'm gonna get you on the channel. Yeah, for sure. Oh, man. Y'all probably thought this was my shit. That's how clean it is. Yeah. We brought them whips out today, man. Big Money Car Club. Brought them whips out for y'all. Clean, man. Pristine. Pristine. Yes, sir, man. Ain't no half stepping in this bitch. That's how we do. That 75 Delta thing out. What up, little man? Yes, sir, LS. Yes, sir, we got them LS's out, boy. Yeah, man. Yeah, 69 colors, convertible. On them 4Gs. On them 4Gs. You know, that's how we ride, man. 4G or nothing, man. Nothing, man. Yeah, Grand Nasty out today too, boy. We run that Grand Nasty out today too. Yeah, we clean, man. Ain't no half stepping. Sir. Got that SS out too, man. That's why I say, man, we Gbody kings, man. We got more Gbodies. Hey, and this is within the car club, you feel me? We got some Gbodies for your ass. See that pearl jumping out that thing? What it do, Pete? What it do, man? Hey, yeah, you know we bored fly around this motherfucker, man. LS in this too. He ain't got his hood up, but yeah, he LS running too. Yeah, that's my nephew shit. He smashing on. Pristine, clean. Yeah. Ain't no play around here. He ain't got an LS, but we gonna have one in there by next summer. I guarantee you that one. Yeah, I guarantee you that one. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all see it. Old school Cuddy, man. Here in the fall. Swivel seats. Yeah. I had one of these. I wish I could find another. Yeah. How you doing?
Tell me everything that your body desires. And I'm talking to you. Gonna take you higher. What we not talking about?
Scat pack on. old boy, where he at? He walking around. He was sitting over there with Buck. Next door here. Yeah, he clean. Box 10. Yeah, we gotta get on my baby, man. There go my baby. Yeah, man. We playing too, man. Ain't no half stepping. No half stepping, man. See that lip, why? See that big lip on that thing. Won't be happy till they snatch me and place me with half a slack speed. Sitting in gas tacky, but never me. See, my destiny's to be forever free. And that's the sea on the hill that'll wait for me. So plus just the visualize like a cold rush. Vivid enough to make living this a must. Me being supreme master ain't much more life to see after, but another chapter, a new way of life to adapt to, cause the streets are gas. I had you caught up in the rapture, deja vu. I could visit my killer 2 months, political, constantly aware of political, something claim every man's created. Native people, find it hard for me. Yeah, but it's just vivid enough to make living this a must.
A dude I was working with to do all this channel.
1960, man. 3 carbs. Now this is slick. Boy, that silver with that red popping. God damn. He got that LS mode in there too. Man, probably scary because this little body. don't know. It's nice though.
Pictures of a time us. I'm not with love. When you listen,
1940. Wayne. Keep going, boy.
Seen that gun.
Huh? Who came outside? Oh yeah, this is better than last year. And then I think probably next year we're gonna end up moving around there because it's gonna be more cars. We're gonna have to start parking something over there.
And that's what I'm telling y'all, man. I said, hell, even the old park.
Yeah.
The big ass parking lot.
Yeah.
Hell
yeah.
Back over there, you know we do one.
Hell yeah. Hey, this is my boy, man. When y'all be seeing that drop, that bad motherfucker, that 69.
Yes, sir.
That's it right there, man. He ready, man. Boy, you kicked up saying, man, everybody was mad at him. That's my boy, though. Good dude. Yeah, I got the rest of these cars and I'm done. I can sit back and sip on something to chill.
This show I've been to all year.
Yeah. And next year it's gonna be big. Like I told Daddy, they're gonna have to start parking over there because there's gonna be so many cars. It's gonna reach on to that other side.
I'll let you later.
All right, Doc. Oh, he running. Let's get these likes up, man. I appreciate everybody that stayed down with your boy, man, on this YouTube channel. So, y'all the reason why I'm out here, man. Doing this for y'all, getting y'all some good views. It's a beauty right here, convertible. these in forever. Tub. There go my auntie. There go my auntie. Oh, he pro-charged, man. He ain't playing. Pull up on this at the light. See what happened to you. Sleeper. I'm looking at this wagon thinking it don't run. That's a sleeper. How y'all doing? Y'all enjoying it? Look at Dave, man. It's like my uncle right here, man. How you doing, man? How you been, man? How you seen you been?
Yeah, man, I've been down, you know. I ain't got back up on my feet.
Yeah, you know you can't keep a good man down, man.
Man.
We too strong for that shit, you know what I'm saying? A little cross in the road, but we gonna pass, you know what I'm saying?
Okay, you know. I was sister when now I'm back walking.
Yeah. What you bring out here?
Nothing. They got my old car.
The Buick?
Yeah, the Buick.
Yeah, that thing clean.
Yeah.
That thing clean.
Yeah.
What happened to the Chevy back when it got, what was it, the 70s?
Yeah. Sold them all.
Ah, I thought Dave had one. Yeah. Yeah, you gotta keep that one. That's memory. I bought my Hearse out today. The black one. Yeah. Yeah. The 83 anniversary. 15th anniversary. So it's more money than the Fofo too. Yeah, it's pretty good. And I put a 12-inch motor and I love motor in there. Oh yeah, that motherfucker snapped the Get back at y'all, man. Music too loud for me. It's your boy DJ on the grind, man. And we ain't never gone. Dig?